5 altcoins. What do you need to track now? For all of these altcoins, guys, I highly recommend you just go find the first videos what I posted after listing, because we use the initiation accumulation pop model, and I mark the invalidation of idea. It's when the token dump on the listing price, so you have to be ready for that scenario, and the zone of interest. And only in zone of interest we could start use DCA. So I hope you watch that videos and not just hop in at the top, because for example, the AltLayer, the people screaming, you have no idea about AltLayer. This is a super project, the roadmap, the fundamental, the partnership, the venture funds on the board, everything amazing, just literally amazing. And I sold my airdrop here, not at the top, no, around the 40 cents. I sold it. I missed the 50% pump after that, or last a little bit, and I marked the zone of interest here, invalidated. So we invalidate even the idea. What's happening with the fundamental? What's happening with the use case? What happened with the utility of this project? The AltLayer idea here and here, absolutely the same, guys. That's one more example. So stop this research. Of course, you need to do some research, to not buy the pure scam. But you have to understand that 90% of all this information, what you can find about the project on their website, on the CoinMarketCap, on the CryptoRank, it's absolutely mean nothing for the future, the price of the assets, because every single altcoin is just a pure speculation. That's why I recommended use first of all, free educational video tutorial how to work with the initiation accumulation pop model and analyze the tokens after listing. We need one daily candle close to determine the zone of interest. So LINA, guys, the same story, the same charts, absolutely the same model. So still not invalidated. So we hold the line, pretty good one. The DCA, you could start at 0.206. So this was the last zone of interest. Now we dump even under that zone, 50%, but still not invalidated idea. If we still trade in this zone, 210.69, 210.88, still still relevant price targets for LINA. So I'll recommend you just go and check the first video. What to do now, guys? Up to you. There is no magic to buy this token now. Oh, this is a great time to buy. You need to build the reasons and define the reasons why you're ready to buy or not. That's why I use my custom microsets to determine the zone. What is pros and the cons for the tokens. This is a weekly time frame, and this is still a free. We got unlocks, we got a Western shadow, so the whales can dump even the unlocked tokens, because usually they got the tokens totally for free, like allocation. All right, or at the so cheap prices on the private round, the seed rounds. This is a bearish. This is bearish. Market mood bearish. Chart screaming extra bullish. If you're ready to see one more dump, for example, the 40%, and to see the invalidation of idea, of course, now it's more than okay to buy the LINA. Definitely. The invalidation, it's a 0.202. Starknet under here. If we drop an invalidated idea, these zones will become like resistance zones, and under is just open space, because we can't know where the price will stop. Pretty simple. Based on ADZ indicator, we're in accumulation. Bullish. Based on direction indicator, we lay down at the bottom, bullish, but without any signals to buy or accumulation, but only on direction indicator. Based on money power, some money in was here 2-3 weeks, 1, 2, 3. So around like 0.2028, 0.204. So in average, I think the average entry is like 0.203. Some whales bought the token. I'm more than sure they will start distribute their bags here at 1.25 if this token is not a pure scam, because we can't know, right? We can see even something like this one, the listing. Yes, it's possible, but I think this level we're going to reach this year or the next one. It's my take. All right, now no signals to sell or money outflow on the weekly. It's good. It's bullish. Weekly trade on no data. Daily, it's just local swing trades. Like last time to buy was here in the February. Still no signals to sell. It's good. It's good. And the last indicator is take profit. Take profit, guys, for the LINA on a daily. Buy line now. around 0.2025. Take profit line, it's 86 level by FIB. The zone of now it's going to be the distribution. Previously, it probably announced like accumulation. Take a look how the price react at that level, react at that level, and we saw the Donald Trump join it to the party. And this is 0.2049. This is more than okay to fix your withdrawal initial deposit if you bought it here at the buy line. That's it. Weekly time frame, I don't think so. Yes, we still not have enough data for take profit indicator. That's why, guys, levels I showed you, invalidation, and highly recommend you just add alerts and track money inflow, track with the alerts, and wait the take profit. Here, this is a level, now, but levels are dynamic. It's more than okay to fix, some profit, 50%, 30%. The positive case, I think, we can reach 110.25 this year if everything will be okay. All right. Next one, bounce beat. We invalidate idea. I remember when the people screaming also, we never dropped your targets. We never invalidated your idea because this idea is stupid and all of this stuff, but we dump it back. So the invalidation happened in March. No, even in February. So we dump it under the 210.34. After that, we stop it at 210.22. And here is a 210.21. Nice one. So I don't think we're going to drop lower. Is it possible? Yes. But based on seasonality, based on the charts, based on sentiment on the market now, I think we're going to rebound to the 8 cents 3 and 11.49. So these zones will be like resistance now. Here was the signals to buy. We pump it and reject it. It was on a monthly. Weekly time frame, no signals to buy or sell. Nothing. All right. Let's go ADZ direction. This is a bullish. So this is accumulation. Definitely, even if you look at the chart, it's not a distribution zone. Definitely not a distribution zone. That's why now it's more than okay to speculate, but build a plan. For example, you're buying at 3 cents, at 6 you sell, withdraw initial deposit, and leave free tokens right to the moon. We lay it out on the bottom of the direction indicator. Nice one. It's bullish. Take a look, the market mood and the money power. It's total capitulation. The gray color usually it's the good zone for buys. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks in a row. Around the 2 cents 7, the average entry. This is where the whales, some whales, but we can't know the size of that position. They bought it on a spot. Nice one. That's why add alerts like this one and wait. Money power, outflow. Yes, money outflow on the weekly. For me, it's going to be the signal to fix the profit, for example, if I decide to buy the bounce beat. Like in December 24, it was a pure signal, so whales out at the zone of distribution. So the positive case, if a miracle happened and we reach 23 cents or 28, that's it. Now all levels will be like resistance. Take profit, the last indicator, guys. We saw on the rated. Remember value of this token, it's 8 cents. This one. And test below. So I'm more than sure we will come back and test it. And take profit, it's 2 cents 26. This one. So exit line is 25.68. Daily, we saw underrated, and so we can drop it again to test 2 cents 13, the buy line again, but take profit line is 422, exit line 476. I'm more positive for the altcoins now because of seasonality. And the buy line on the 12 time frame, it's 1 cent 71. I don't think so. We're going to drop that low. The take profit line is 3 cent 35. Take exit line is 3 cents 8. So, like conclusion, guys, add alerts. Also, test fundamental value, fundamental price. Fundamental price line is here. It's 8 cents 57. Sooner or later, we're going to retest that line. Lines are dynamic. Highly recommended to add alert and wait. AltLayer, guys, absolutely the same story. I don't think so. We're gonna reach the new all-time high on the weekly time frame. Finally, we get like signals to buy, like 1, 2, 3 signals to buy. Nice one. Now, on daily, we also saw the signals to buy. We already sweep it and dump it under fundamental value. The indentation accumulation pump model. So, is it possible to dump even lower? Yes, of course. So from now, it can be like here, 12% down. Possible, yes, but I don't think so. Weekly time frame, definitely the zone of fixation should be like 5 cents here and 7 cents here. Nice one. Take profit, trade on, money power. Fundamental value of the AltLayer is 2 cents 37. Take profit line is 6 cents 56. That's it. And the money power, money in was here in February. Nice. So it's more about bias, not sales. Direction ADZ. This is a huge accumulation. This is a final accumulation since March. This is a capitulation. So a lot of bullish signals, guys. Zones I showed you, levels I showed you. So previous targets also relevant if the model is still not invalidated. If the model invalidated, this is will become like a distribution. Wallet Connect. The same story, guys. When we pump it to $1.37, I showed you the zone of interest. Of course, at that time, at $1.37, it's hard to even imagine why the token should dump to 6 cents, for example. But it's so obvious because the market makers use the algorithm, and the algorithm just deliver the price to that zones. And we got like a cheat code, the initiation accumulation pump model, and that model got like over than 80% win rate. So here was a dump on Donald Trump and 2 cents 8. And now we hold the line inside this zone. Invalidation, it's a drop under 1 cent. Up to you, buy or not. Now we're in zone of interest. One buy, bounce, buy, bounce. Buy or not, it's up to you. Distribution is here, 33, 35. Zones relevant. Trade on, I showed you. Take profit, money power. Money in on a weekly was in December at 7 cents price, at 6 cents 55, at 7 cents. Now we stay at 6 cents 33. If the market makers got a plan to pump the price, they will pump it definitely to the 14.75 to fix the 100% of the profit. Nice. A weekly time frame, unfortunately, no data for take profit indicator. Here, buy line, this token now, 4 cents 18. Invalidation on the drop under 1 cent. Take profit line 8 cents 29. And ADZ direction, market smooth. Money power on a daily, there is no money flow. ADZ in distribution zone on a daily. Let's check on a weekly. Huge accumulation. So now it's so obvious, a lot of altcoins underwater, and it's more than okay to take a risk. Finally, since March, we are in capitulation zone. That's why I highly recommend it all the time, just to use the weekly time frame for accumulation and track with a market mood indicator. For example, you just skip all this time and use DCA, dollar cost average strategy. Only when we crash it down into capitulation zone on a weekly time frame, gray zone, this one, capitulation on a based on a market move. So the all investors, retails, it's gone and trying to sell this token. Direction, still no signals to buy. So this is for the Wallet Connect. This is a zone of distribution. We're more than okay. I think fix the profit. I don't think so. We're going to hit the new all-time high, but 33, 35, it's more than real to see. BICO, absolutely the same story, but here the model is invalidated. The trouble area for the BICO for this year, I think, is going to be the 1399, 1979. Most positive case scenario. Crazy scenario if we hit by some miracle 42 cents because the model is invalidated, right? Maybe is it possible? Yes, of course, to reach the 95 and $1. But what I can recommend you, not waste the stable coins just with the DCA, because we can go to 0, add 1 0, add another 1 0, and be delisted. That's why Invest only that money what you can afford to lose. Don't gamble with the DCA. DCA is not a solution. Buy signal was here in March, end of March. Now nothing. Take profit to money power. Money power, no money inflow. Money inflow was last time at 210.33. So basically we're at the same level. Nice. You can buy if you want. Take profit, no data. Daily. Daily is we tested a buy line 2 days ago. Now take profit is 310.41. Exit line 310.87. Done. Just take a pause, mark the level, and add alerts to these indicators. ADZ direction, market mood. Weekly, we're in neutral zone. So some, market mood I showed you. Market mood also, guys, in capitulation since December, finally. Direction, no signals to buy. About ADZ, guys, if the token lay down at the bottom, it doesn't mean we are in the accumulation zone. For example, base it only on ADZ. For example, you saw the Wallet Connect, we are at the higher price level around here, but we are in accumulation. ADZ on a BIO is neutral zone. That's why I recommend you to just create a watch list and move with this set, from token to token, right? And you will find the more reasons for purchases and choose the token wisely. Guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment what you think about all of these 5 tokens. If you would like to trade with my customer, could say what I showed on this video, use right in the DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.